Hello, Hawks. I just wanted to show you a few things that you can try if your Chromebook is not loading your Pearson's or my HRW, or it just isn't acting completely 100%. So remember that you may need to make sure that your Chromebook is updated. So you will go up to the three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner, scroll down to Help, and go to About Google Chrome. Now it may just automatically begin looking for updates. I believe students though have some little blue writing right here that says like Chrome OS settings. You may need to click that. And then if it says to update or need updates, make sure you click that button. Now, after it is updated with everything it needs, it may have a restart button, and that may actually be all that you need to make sure that your Chromebook's working 100%. So click that restart and then everything should be good to go. Now, you also may want to try clearing your cookies. So again, you'll go up to the three vertical dots, go down to Settings, and then you will scroll down to where it says Privacy and Security and click on Clear Browsing Data. You'll want to make sure that all time is selected here and then push Clear Data. If you have any other questions or problems with your Chromebook, please make sure that you email me and I can try and help you as quick as I can. We are all in this together. Have a great day.